Hey folks, this story comes to us from the Osborne Head and Neck Institute.
Strangers come in and they want to know what's this all about. I was not going to start up a conversation with somebody that was curious as to what was underneath that clump of hair.
The patient was a 71-year-old female who had a 7-pound growth on her neck. It was a benign parotid gland tumor that had been developing for 31 years.
It was a very difficult time because when Sandra was, from the time she was 9 until she was 12, she was dancing for New York City Ballet in children's productions, The Nutcracker and others, and I had to be there. People were curious. They knew that there was something under this hair. It was starting to grow, and some people were downright rude, and some people were just so sweet about it. This was constant until it just got to the point where I just had to have some peace and stay at home.
She stated, "For almost 10 years prior to its removal, and with my inability to continue to hide it beneath my hair, I became housebound, which profoundly affected my quality of life." After a consultation with Dr. Ryan Osborne and Dr. Jason Hamilton of Osborne Head and Neck, she had an 11-hour removal procedure. She continued, "I am aware that initially Dr. Osborne and Hamilton had to be astonished by the size and scope of my tumor. Though they didn't let on, I'm certain they had not encountered a growth of its magnitude before. Adding to the challenge, they were dealing with a 70-year-old patient. The surgery was a complete success. Let's look at her today." She also says, "Put simply, words cannot express my deep affection and appreciation to those of you, named and unnamed, who have changed the course of my day-to-day existence. It's just so profound. I, my family, and friends, thank you." Click like for the team at Osborne Head and Neck, and please subscribe for new videos every week. Now comment below, which of these stories would you like to see in the future? Your opinions will help us shape our channel. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.
I want to tell you about Advanced Brain Gains. It is a multivitamin that focuses on the nutrients you need for clear thoughts, memory, and focus. If you find yourself being sluggish, tired, achy, and distracted, it may be because you lack the nutrients your brain needs. Clear out the fog and try Advanced Brain Gains today. There is an Amazon link in the description below.